Okay, so it's been quite a while, but here are a few apps that are really cool, so let's get started. Starting off is Indestructible Launcher, and it's pretty basic and minimal. You get a clean black background with the date, time, and weather at the top and a few select shortcuts below. There is a dedicated task menu where you can add your reminders for the day. You can swipe to the left to access all your apps, which are also presented as a minimal alphabetical list. There is a few settings you can change, such as font size, icon pack, and choose what information you want displayed on the home screen. So the main aim of this is to reduce distractions, and also the clean black design will save a good amount of battery on OLED screens. Talking about home screens, this app called TruePix is a must-have. It's packed with loads of hand-picked wallpapers and home screen setups. For wallpapers, there are many different categories to choose from, such as AMOLED, art, buildings, space, scenery, and there's also a features section that is updated with the best wallpapers available. Though what I really like is the setup section, where you can find tons of different setups which you can recreate on your device. The launcher, icon pack, widgets, and wallpaper are all linked below for every setup, and you can also share your own setups here. Next up, we have a unique music player called Moobert. So unlike other music players, it doesn't allow you to select the music, but instead you have to select from a list of playlists or genres, and the app will start playing music by its own. It is AI based, so it learns which kind of music you enjoy and then plays similar songs. This way you get to discover a lot of music that you've never heard before. You do get the option to like or dislike songs to improve the recommendations. There is also an option to repeat songs or play certain parts of the songs on a loop. And if you really like the song, you can also save it and share it too. Though the coolest part definitely is the background visualizer that changes with the music. The last app for today is Bird. So by now you must have realized that I'm a sucker for minimalistic designs, and Bird is just another clean looking mailbox. All your emails are organized according to the date on a black background, and there's not much else going on. Composing a mail is also very neat with no extra clutter. This app also serves as a notes app and is quite similar to Google Keep. Not much else, but if you're going for a minimal design for every app on your phone, then you should definitely consider it. Moving on to games, we have really bad chess. So unlike all the regular chess games, in this one you get random pieces for both the players. As if chess was not hard enough, this one can really confuse you because all the pieces are not the same. Though sometimes it can be for your advantage if you know how to use certain pieces, such as the queen, which is always overpowered. Other times it can be really difficult. It's fun to play, and random boards keep it interesting even though you're playing against a computer. Finally is a game that I can't pronounce the name to, but don't worry, the link will be in the description below. It's a 2D motorcycle game with some realistic physics, making it quite hard. You have to complete levels in a certain time limit, and you can also upgrade your bike as you level up. It's a fun arcade game with pretty slick graphics, and it's available for free on the Play Store.